Hey, hi. So basically, as of now, two part is completed. I have worked on machine learning and admin panel. Okay, these two applications. So in web application, basically, I have done fire detection and smoke detection. I have found this data set basically related to top view as drone capture the images. So it is also good data set around 6,000 images. So I have used this data set. I'll share you the link. Okay, and I have used YOLO algorithm. I will share you the code. Okay, this is the link for YOLO algorithm training. Okay, so you no need to run this code, the training code. Okay, so this is the complete training code. So it is just we are downloading the data set, then we are unzipping it, then downloading the YOLO library analytics. Okay, and then we are training the algorithm. Okay, and we have done 20 epochs. Okay, as of now, and this is the YOLO architecture. This is a uh, precision curve. Okay, just do some research. See what is precision curve, recall, whatever graphs has generated now. Just do some research and find the mathematical calculation. You will understood. Okay, this is F1 score. Okay, like that. So this is a training code. I'll share you the link. Just copy and copy the. Just open the link which I have shared and just go to file section and click on save a copy in drive. Okay, so this will get saved in your particular uh, email. Okay, and then show from your email address. Okay, do not run directly this shared code. Okay, because here my email id will be visible. Okay, to your guide. So instead of that, copy into your drive and then share your drive file. Okay, do experiment with that, not with this one. Okay, so there's a training code and there's a live fire detection code. So you just need to run the code block wise. Just click to block and press shift enter. That's it. Okay, or else what you can do, there is a run button. You can click here one by one, but make sure you have to run it one by one. Okay, you have to run live fire detection collab link. Okay, you no need to run this one, the training one. Okay, because training one, if you run training one, it will take almost 4 to 5 hours to get a model train. Okay, so that's why. So I have already trained the model and given the downloadable link, so it will automatically download the model from this. Okay, and then once you run every code, okay, every block, then at the end you will get the option to upload the image. Okay, so I have tried first randomly. Okay, so just checking the prediction, and then I have tried some fire images. So as you can see, this is a fire, this is a smoke, this is a fire. Okay, so it is working fine. You can also upload your own. It will give the choose file option, and then automatically it will get upload. Okay, so this way you can demonstrate as of now. Same way you can do this. Okay, you just go to file section and copy a particular file in your drive. Okay, and similarly, the another thing which I have done is this web part. So you just have to go to the web part and just go to this address bar and open CMD like this and just type command python app.py and hit enter. Okay, you have to type this command. Okay, python app.py, but for my case I have installed some, I have multiple python versions, so that's why. So I have to type 310, but you have to type simple python app.py and you have to install python 310. Okay, and then you will get this link. You just have to go to this link. Okay, so this will be the login page. Admin is the username, password is the you can say password is, let me check. You can open this particular project in VS Code. Just download VS Code, open CMD. I believe you are aware of all this. Okay, Key, how to install VS Code and open the project. I believe you might be aware of all this. Okay, right? So you just have to type code dot. It will automatically open the particular project in the VS Code. Okay, so the username and password is, let me check. Username is admin, password is admin123. Okay, and then you have to click login. After login, you will get a dashboard. I have given this arrow alert project name. Okay, so I have given the option admin user, security guard, and log. Will add this log and everything later. Okay, as of now, just for this is the initial demos, right? So you just have to show the starting part. Okay, so I believe do not show web part as well. Just show machine learning or web part, because as this is very your initial review, right? So your teacher should not be take some he you have make it from some other sources. It should not be worried for those things, right? So that's why I suggest just show web or machine learning part, any one of these. Okay, if you want to show both, you can show the both. Okay, but then see what happen. When you show more to teacher will ask you to do more modification and more implementation and features. Okay, so that is difficult for you. Okay, to add more features and then enhance the application more. Okay, so it's up to you. Okay, so you can create the admin user and security guard. Okay, I have given this two functionality as of now. Just a second, my laptop is getting hang. Okay. So here I have given you the complete CRUD operation. You can add, delete, create, do anything. Okay. Same way security guard. So whatever security guard you will add here, it will able to log in into mobile application. I have not done mobile application yet. Okay, it's pending. Okay, we'll do it later. So you can do the all this thing as of now. Okay, just for the initial review, right? Okay. So yeah, do let me know and send it down.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.